Micromobility, and especially maybe shared mobility, deserves a special event where they are in the focus, get the attention that they deserve, and not drown in many of the other bigger events that includes mobility you can find around.
The last couple of years it's been a bit turbulent for micromobility in general, but what we see is that things are moving in a positive direction. We strongly believe that 2025 and beyond is going to be a transformative year for entire micromobility industry across Europe.
Yeah, it's our second time here at Micromobility Europe, founding a really good show to meet the sort of kinds of brands and products that we use, and also sort of helpful to make contacts as we try to expand into Europe.
For the bicycles, it's that we are combining the visual and functional design. It's valuable in the terms of the connecting with the several companies we would hardly meet on any other places.
I love coming to micromobility industry. I think I've come to every European edition, and for me, having been in the space for about 15 years, it's lovely seeing all my friends and professional connections here.